Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video for you. I thought that it would be good to share something exciting because I am an ice cream girl, okay? I love to have me some ice cream, especially in the summertime. And last weekend, while I went out to do a little bit of shopping, I was hungry, and rather than stopping for some kind of lunch, I decided to stop at my local ice cream shop, which has just opened up about a month ago for the season, and I ordered a coffee frappe. So a coffee frappe, now if you're not from this part of the country, I don't know if you call it a frappe. It's like a milkshake, but where I grew up, there was a pharmacy right across the street from my house. I mean, 2 steps across the street. And one of the things, I think it cost 75 cents or 50 cents, but I used to go over all the time in the summer and order a coffee frappe. And basically what it is, if you don't know, is it's coffee syrup. And in my area, we had this coffee syrup, and I was able to get this at the grocery store, except the only size that they had was this gigantic size. But anyway, we would have coffee syrup with coffee ice cream and milk, and it would get whipped up into a milkshake, and it was so delicious. And I haven't had one in years because, you know, obviously you're not going to be drinking coffee frappes when you reach a certain point in life, but when I was a kid, I did drink them quite frequently. And when I had the first sip of this coffee frappe last weekend, it brought back so many memories because my grandfather used to make coffee milk all the time when I was a little girl. And I really haven't had one in so long. So it brought all that back. It brought back memories of being in the pharmacy, you know, asking my father for some money so I could go get one. And like I said, they were only like 50 cents or 75 cents. I can't remember. But anyway, so I realized that I cannot be drinking coffee frappes whenever I want to. And I looked up the calories for Friendly's coffee frappe, and it is 640 calories for a coffee frappe. So I'm sure that that's what mine had in it, the one I had last Saturday, because it was with coffee syrup, ice cream, the whole 9 yards. So I love to make frappes, I love to make banana splits, all that kind of stuff, because my first job out of high school was working at an ice cream shop, and you know, I learned how to scoop that ice cream. And so I was thinking about how could I make a coffee frappe that wasn't 640 calories. And one of the ways, I obviously picked up my coffee syrup, which this should last a lifetime given the size of it. And for my ice cream, I wanted to pick up a low-calorie frozen yogurt. So I was looking for coffee. They didn't have coffee, but they had this mocha fudge, which a mocha is like a chocolate coffee. So this frozen yogurt is fat-free, but it's also only 130 calories for 2/3 of a cup. And this is 2/3 of a cup, which is pretty good, decent amount. So the coffee syrup is 100 calories for 2 tablespoons, and the one that I made the other day to see how it tasted, I only used 1 tablespoon, so that's 50 calories there, and that was plenty. And then for my milk, instead of using regular milk, I'm using almond milk, the regular flavor, and this is only 60 calories for a cup. And I have to tell you, I am very sensitive to how things taste, and this tastes just like milk. I mean, there's no aftertaste, there's no funky taste. It tastes really, really good. So I can make a coffee frappe that only has 240 calories compared to 640 calories. So I'm just gonna make it for you and give it a taste. I know you cannot taste it on the screen, but it literally, I had it the other day, and it literally tastes exactly like the coffee frappe that I had from the ice cream shop. So I'm gonna show you how I make it and give it a taste. So let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna give it a pour into my cup. So it's obviously not as thick as a coffee frap would be, which is why I only pulsed on the blender, and I could have probably pulsed a little less. So I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes like a coffee frap. It's creamy. Like I said, it's not as thick as a coffee frap would be, because a coffee frap, they put two big huge scoops of ice cream, and that makes it obviously really thick. But 240 calories and I get the taste of the coffee frap, I'm all in. You could make this with vanilla frozen yogurt and vanilla syrup or chocolate. So you could do this with any of your favorite milkshakes. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. It was a quick one today. I hope that you let me know if you give this milkshake or frap, whatever you want to call it. I think they even call it a cabinet in Rhode Island, which I never understood, but anyway. If you call it something different, let me know in the comments. If you call it a coffee frap, let me know. Or if you even have never had a coffee frap, let me know in the comments. So if you like this type of video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. I hope that you will consider subscribing, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.